Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your earbuds LG TONE Free. You have to start by open LG TONE Free application, so you need to install and set up this application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu. Right here you need to scroll down, and at the bottom we have software update. Click on it. Now we check for updates and we can check software version for this application. And right here we have it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.